Jim, so right now actually we're testing on the 2x8 DVI splitter. So we have the setup, two source, which is from the laptop on the right side, and another laptop is for the left side. So today we have two laptops, and here's the 2x8 DVI splitter. So we have this design, and we can just put it on the table, and also we have another one is rack mounted. So we will have the indicators on the front panel and also the EDID management. So like right now we have the back side, we actually have the HDMI to the DVI adapter. So we have the source, which is from this laptop, then 4 outputs, and one is to this TV, and another 3 is to the monitors. All the monitors, right now we can see it's actually no images output, just because the EDID issue. And like right now we actually have the tape 5, the track is playing, and from this laptop input to the second one, then 4 outputs, and another output is to this monitor here. So basically you can hear the sound is coming out. So you can hear the sound is coming out from this TV here, just because this TV have the speaker inside. So we can just mute this one, and we can just turn up the volume of this PC, and then also can hear the sound is coming out. So right now what we're going to do is to have these small TVs to showing out the images. Basically we need to do the EDID setting. Like right now it's actually 1080p and HDMI. So we can just copy the EDID. Also we can just check the EDID setting on the bottom side of the. So basically we can see here we can just copy the EDID from the output 1. For this one, and we can just have the 100. So basically right now you can see we already have another 3 monitors to have the output from this PC. And this one still only in this large TV have the signals. And we also can do the EDID setting on this side. Also we can just copy the EDID from the output 1. Just use the deep switch. Then we can check it out. So right now we already have the who setup, but once we copy the ID from the output 1, just because the output 1, these monitors are the only supposed to the DVI signals. So that's why it's no sounds coming out from these 2 big TVs. So this is the demo video for this rack mounted, or we can put on the table 2x8 DVI splitter. Okay, thank you. I hope you like this video and this product.